So we are in Orange Blossom Village, and we're going to look at a really great refurbished property here. This is the golf cart area, also sitting area, so it comes with a golf cart. Real nice sitting area here. It's all enclosed, which is really great if you've got bad weather. Off to the back here is the laundry, and there is some storage for some bikes. This house has been completely renovated. Really great spot. Let's have a look. So entering through the side, you've got this beautiful dining area. Really nicely done, tastefully decorated. Kitchen with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Completely remodeled. All new cupboards, all new hardware, new countertops, new appliances. Nice area here for sitting or prep work, and dinette area, seating for two, bright windows. And because we're in Orange Blossom, we're literally 2 or 3 minutes away from the Orange Blossom Country Club, one of the first pools that was ever put in with the big waterfall. It's just gorgeous up there, as well as the golf course is within 3 or 4 minutes walk, a couple of minutes golf cart ride. So here's this big, huge living space. Again, all been redone, brand new flooring throughout the home. Big screen TV. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So at the back here, we have the master, and off to the right is another bedroom, but here's the guest bathroom. All been redone. New cabinetry, marble countertops, beautiful backsplash, beautiful decorating. 1 bedroom off to the right, queen size bed, loads of space. Nice closet, TV in this room. So we're in the northern part of the villages, so real close to Spanish Springs area, all kinds of shopping nearby. Again, just because we're so close to the country club, literally a 2-minute walk, you have access to all of that. Here's the master. They've put in these beautiful barn doors. Big king size bed. And this bathroom is beautiful, been redone. New vanity, mirrors. Nice slide and walk-in shower, storage area. So again, if you're looking for a rental up in the northern part of the villages in Orange Blossom, this is a really nice home, available for short-term rental, and all the information to contact the landlord will be in the description. And here's the beautiful back area. Real great to sit out, and backs right out onto the Hilltop Golf Course. What an exceptional spot to sit out and enjoy coffee in the morning or beverage in the evening.